You've had 3 years to save your money.
Good morning, Judge. Resident and Defendant for the mirror. The mirror states the name.
Sir, there was error notice.
All right, so this is going to be a plea as charged, correct?
Correct.
So he stands mute, waives formal reading for purposes of arraignment, correct?
Yes.
And now he's going to plead his charge, right? Sir, if you plead to drive while license not valid or improper license, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs or all those. Do you understand that? And did you sign, read, and understand? Excuse me, the advice of rights form.
Yeah, it's a paper, the advice of right. Yes,
I have.
Did you read it?
Yes, I
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you're going to be giving up all of those rights and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that? All right. And do you understand? And I don't want you to tell me there could be immigration consequences
He's a
to
US
this
citizen.
plea. Pardon?
Either U.S. citizen.
Fine. All right, good enough. You still wish to plead guilty
Yes, sir.
to the charge drive while license not valid. How do you plead? Were you operating a motor vehicle on February 10 of 23 on Sibley near Dixon, Brownstown at 1:26 in the morning? Did you have a valid license? Are you on probation or parole? Anybody force you to plead guilty or promise you anything to induce you to plead guilty? You still wish to plead guilty? Please accept it to that charge. I'm ready for sentence. Anything?
Yeah, just that Mr. Ramirez understands that he's got to get this situation corrected so that he can have valid license. He's currently trying to take care of all of other outstanding issues in the other jurisdictions. Again, he can clear his record and hopefully start the process to reinstate his driving privilege.
Just gotta go take care of the proof of insurance to begin with. Out of Detroit. All right, anything you'd like to say as it's, anything?
I'm in the practice of getting the insurance on the vehicle now and all that. But other than that, I'm more worried about getting my license.
All right. 100 fines, 200 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 4.25, 90 days. You have a bond of $3,010%. That's in a third party's name. Is Gilberto Ledesma here? Is he going to let you apply the bond?
Are you going to time that over to him?
Is that the Brownstown one?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's 270. Do you have the other 155 to pay?
Let me have him plan.
You've had 3 years to save your money.
Maybe after that today.
He's paying 270. How much do you have with you?
I have 20 books around. 25 books.
Pay 295 now, 40 per week, and I'm going to start that beginning April the 6th. Can you do that?
Something.
If you need more time, you call the court. And I'll be happy to give you an extension, but you have to do it on or before the due date. We're not open on the 3rd. Do you understand that? Go down the hall, you can pay the 25, he can sign over the bond and make your payments on time. Again, no reason to be afraid. If you don't have the money, call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension. Good luck.
And then
People against.
Judge, he
What's
does
that?
need to go over to Judge Hudson's courtroom for cases now too, just a reminder to him.
Well, you got other cases in front of Judge Hudson. All right, we'll take care of those afterward. Good luck.
Like,
Joseph Michael Lyon, 26B, 149926.
Good morning.
B. That's all right.
Good morning, Judge. I'm Mr. Lyons. Do you want to take it?
Joseph Michael Ryan.
So he's going to plead guilty to leave the scene of the property or no contest, failure to stop and identify, essentially leave the scene of a property damage accident. True?
Correct.
You know that's 6 points, right?
I was made aware of that today.
And you understand if you plead guilty, you're subject to up to 90 days jail, fines 100, costs or all of those. And a no contest plea has the same effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
yes,
If you plead no contest, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
yes.
Counsel, do you stipulate I can use the police report to establish a factual basis?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to have that marked Peoples 1.
The basis for the not this civil liability.
Right, I made that assumption. Are you, right now, are you on probation or parole?
No,
Anybody force you to plead no contest?
no.
Okay, just give her a second to mark that.
Oh.
And I will review it, and I'll make sure that there's a factual basis, okay? All right, I'm gonna review the report. There's no other vehicle involved.
No, it was a meeting.
Hey, talking to your lawyer.
No, Judge, there was.
I'm not gonna take a no contest on this. I mean, if he's the driver, he's got to pay restitution in. So I'm not gonna take this. I'll do a guilty plea, or else you can work out something else.
Can we pass it, Judge, so we go back to this?
I mean, I want her to understand that the only thing here, there's no. The only thing that somebody be entitled to is restitution for the damage to the property. It's not, there was no other car involved. It wasn't, sir, you shouldn't say anything right now. So, yeah, I'm just not gonna take a no contest plea. It's just not appropriate here. John, can you hand this to Mr. You can have a seat.
Every case has a story. Some never make it to the docket. Until now. This has been the Unfiled Motion. Subscribe and never miss what almost was. The motion was drafted, the argument was ready, but it was never filed. Join us next time for another story that almost never got told. The Unfiled Motion. Some cases end with a verdict, others end with a question. We cover the ones that end with both. Subscribe for more stories they didn't want you to see.